This video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove fake or human verification alerts that are associated with the site theaddingshop.com. Theaddingshop.com is a new malicious site that may suddenly attack Google Chrome and other browsers. Theaddingshop.com tries to trick people into clicking on allow button, supposedly to help users prove that they are humans and not robots. However, to click on allow is extremely dangerous. This would hijack the browser with plenty of advertisements that would be attacking the screen in the form of annoying push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, be sure to fix your browser by accessing the menu Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions, choose Notifications, and examine the list of the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove theaddingshop.com. And in order to make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and begin examining your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.